Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to zoom into a video in DaVinci Resolve 21. So I'm going to show you two methods. The first is using the inspector, and the second is using the transform menu. So right off the bat, as you can see, I've already loaded a clip into my timeline, and we're just going to move over and pay attention to the inspector tab at the top right-hand side of your screen. As you can see, one of the first options in the transform menu is the zoom property. So if you want to zoom into your video, simply left click this value and drag it with your mouse. As you can see, that changes the zoom level. Now we can also adjust the position of the video to better fit what we want to emphasize. So you can click these buttons at the right hand side to reset them back to their default values very quickly, and I'm going to be showing you how to zoom in with the second method. So the second method I like to use is the transform menu. Some people tend to not notice this because it's a little out of the way, but it's the button at the bottom left hand side of your playback monitor. So go ahead and click on this button right here. As you can see, some new dots show up in the video preview, and then you can go ahead and drag those dots around like so. And if you'll notice, the values in the inspector have also changed. You can use this technique in addition to moving the values here in the inspector to achieve a precise result if that's what you need. Just going to hit Control Z on my keyboard now. And that was how to zoom into a video using DaVinci Resolve 21. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.